All right, let's bring in meteorologist Kristi Gordon now with a look at our weather forecast. Started out all right, Kristi. Looks a little overcast now, though.
At least we're seeing some breaks, and the sky is sort of bright, as you can see. But yeah, we certainly did see a frontal band make its way across, and the radar imagery is actually showing a few light showers across the region. But I think a lot of that is virga, which is the cloud actually sort of precipitates, but then it evaporates before it actually hits the ground, because we're really not getting much in terms of actual. If you are, I mean, it might be a sprinkle, and that's about it. This frontal band impacting much of the province, a little bit more moisture in through the Thompson area, extending over to the Columbia area, and it's also kicking up some winds. So we have gusts in some areas up to about 50-60 kilometers an hour, and we're expecting a strong northwest flow this evening, windy down near the water, gusts up to about 30. Tomorrow we were anticipating cloud cover and a chance of showers, but it looks like the bulk of the showers are going to be in the interior, extending up into these areas towards Valemont. So we are going to keep in a slight chance of showers tomorrow, maybe bring a rain jacket just in case, but overall it does look dry. It's not until the evening hours that we have a greater chance of rainfall here, and at that point it really is just showers. So lots of sunshine across the northern regions. The greatest impact will be across these areas, with some shower activity in the interior and mainly cloudy skies. The big difference tomorrow, Sophie, with this northwest breeze, we are certainly going to see cooler conditions tomorrow with highs of only 14 degrees compared to about 17, 18 that we saw today. It looks like we'll see a little bit more sunshine in the mix on Thursday, Sophie, and we do have a chance of showers sort of earlier in the day and then towards the end of the day on Thursday, but it looks bright in between. And then as we head into the weekend, there's a lot of uncertainty still about the weekend. What we do know, though, is it does look a little unsettled with a big upper level low that is sitting just offshore, so it'll be cool and unsettled through the weekend. In the meantime, for tomorrow, certainly not a soaker. Just keep that rain jacket handy. Back to you.
All right, thanks for that, Kristi.
Saw a lot of cloud today, but it's kind of a pretty sunset going on tonight. Kristi's here with the weather.
Thanks so much. Yeah, did a nice shot looking towards the west there. Certainly some cloud cover, but we're having a nice little break there just as the sun is setting. So good evening, everyone. Yes, we saw cloud cover today, but it remained dry for the most part. You can see on this radar imagery that there does look like a little bit of shower activity, but I think for the most part that was what we call virga, where it precipitates from the cloud, but then it evaporates before it actually hits the ground. Now tomorrow we have more cloud cover in the forecast as well. I just want to quickly point out the interior regions that did have some rainfall. Thompson over towards the Columbia region, and those areas may be wet again tomorrow. Here's a look. So for Metro Vancouver, we're expecting cloud cover again tomorrow. So overcast skies, and it is going to be cooler, but for the most part it is expected to be dry. This is the region that we have the chance of showers, and it includes the Whistler area. Into our Thursday morning, we have a chance of rainfall this is Wednesday evening. Sorry, I forgot I wanted to show you this, because although during the day tomorrow it is going to be dry, I think by the evening hours that's when we have a chance of showers, so keep that in mind. You may want to bring a rain jacket just in case tomorrow, and then certainly Thursday morning is when we're going to see the wet weather. Northern regions, though, lots of sunshine across these areas. It's sort of Quesnel south, Valemont south that we will see the cloud cover, and the bulk of that moisture will be west of sort of the Okanagan Valley. So Okanagan Valley looking pretty nice tomorrow. Mainly cloudy for us. I have put in a drop in that icon, but it really is only a slight chance of a sprinkle. I'm not expecting much. It's more so towards the evening hours that we could see those showers. And Thursday's a bit of a mixed bag, everyone, and so is the weekend. Still some uncertainty. One thing we know for sure is we will see more cloud cover over the weekend and cooler conditions. Mark Angelo sent us this photo. This is he and his wife in Langley, where they visited a cranberry farm. Thanks so much. Perfect timing as we head into Thanksgiving weekend for everyone. Lots of cranberries, and make sure you buy them local, I suppose.
Yeah, cranberry sauce, cranberry cocktails. You can do a lot with that basket.
Yeah. All right, Squire is here now. What have you got?
The Cranberries are a good band.
Oh, yeah. Yes, that's right.
Sorry to throw that in.
They were.
Oh, hello. So, also, how are the Blue Jays doing, you might ask? Well, not too bad, actually. And they're not the only ones doing pretty good. The Seattle Mariners are playing tonight as well. They're also doing well. Could be a Mariners-Jays series coming up. You never know.
Intriguing. Thank you, Squire.
You're welcome.
Also tonight.
He's one of only 2 Canadians currently racing at this level, hoping to achieve what many other drivers before him could only dream of.
I believe Kyle can be a world champion. I believe he's got what it takes, and I think he's going to be a world champion.
It's a dream, honestly. You know, I'm still kind of shaking myself and pinching myself, making sure that it's real, but yeah, it's a long time coming.
Jay Durant, Global News.
Good luck, Kyle, at the next level. That looks so fun. So fun.
Also, little anxiety.
I know, I was going to say so fun, but also could we slow down just a little?
Tiny
just
bit.
a little.
Unless you don't want to win.
Yeah, that's
You got to step on it.
Yeah.
right on the edge. Okay, last word before we go.
Sure. So tomorrow we are expecting overcast skies, and it really is only a slight chance of showers. I think for the most part it will be dry, but maybe bring your rain jacket just in case. If you're like me and you don't like to get your hair wet because it means that it just goes all frizzy.
No,
Then we have to redo it.
Yeah.
You guys, I totally know what you're talking about.
Yes, sure.
All right, thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good night.
Good night, all.